welcome you all. Namaskaram, dear all. Today we have the least strength of the crowd, but that's really wonderful. We have more time to talk to each other. I'm so happy. We have three new members joined us today for the event. Let me start with the junior most. He is Master Rayat Velu from Delhi. He is a young aspirant. He does Kalari Paita. He plays the keyboard and he's got so many things to offer. And we have his dear doting mom, Miss Rena Velu. She is a budding Mohiniyattam dancer. She is learning from, none less than Srimati Deepthi Omcheri Balla from Delhi, a very established Mohiniyattam dancer and a musicologist. She's a world known figure. It's very nice to know her, kind of. And we have Brigadier Velu sir, and he is a passionate musician and he also plays the harmonica, he plays the fiddle flute, and very soon he's going to start playing the transverse flute. So let me formally welcome and induct you into the Brahmayas family, sir. That's so wonderful, so nice. And let me also introduce Kumari Devika M. Nair, storehouse of, she's a multi-talented youngster. She speaks so well, she does Bharatanatyam, she sings so well, she's got her own YouTube channel, she makes jingles and she puts programs and she writes so well. She is a very established squash player of army acclaim, and very soon she'll be seen in the national circuit. Let's see how God takes us to wherever she deserves to be. And I also have Master Mayur Karthik. Mayur Karthik is a budding youngster and he wants to talk about the F-35 fighter aeroplane engines today. Right, Mayur, can I hold you for some time? So let us start with Rayat. Madam Velu, why don't you sit behind? Would you put on a chair and sit, no? Behind? That'll be nice. Okay. Just a moment, Rayat. Just as I am going to be recording this online, I'll want you to just wait. So with that prelude, let me invite Master Rayat Velu. Let us see what he's got on the stores. Over to you, Rayat.
Yes. Namaskar everyone. Today I will be presenting a video that I have made on the art form that I am pursuing, that is Kalari Paita.
Can you also say before the video what Kalari Paita means? I'm sure Devi would know. Other like Rutika and other children may not know. Can you just explain what is Kalari Paita?
Yes, sir. So Kalari Paita is basically an ancient art form, like martial arts form, and all of the present martial arts are derived from the Kalari Paita. Karate and all, it was all derived from this only, and it is one of the oldest, if not the oldest art form that is there, and is from Kerala, of course. Yes. So I'll be presenting my screen right now.
So Rayat is technically sound, he knows how to share a screen and all that.
Paita is a combination of two words, Kalari and Paita. Kalari translates to the training ground and Paita means fight. Many movements and postures in the art of Kalari Paita are believed to be inspired by the raw strength of animals and are also named after them. There is a strong belief that this art was developed in the forests when hunters had observed the fighting techniques of different animals. It is an ancient medical science born out of the need to treat various minor and major injuries resulting from practicing Kalari. It is well documented in the textbooks where they map the complete human body in a detailed manner and lays out remedies to treat each injury based on this science of body meridians. The art of Kalari can be divided into two branches. First being the offensive, and that is attack and defense. And the second being the healing part, which focuses on diagnosing and identifying the injury to the body and the specific treatment to heal the same. Kalari is all about developing the mind to focus, because when you are fighting, there is no space for thinking. It is basically training the body to be reflexive and responsive. The offensive, defensive and healing arts of Kalari Paita focus heavily on Marma points. Marma in Sanskrit means hidden or secret. Marmar point is a junction on body where two or more types of tissues meet, such as muscles, veins, ligament, joints, or bones. Marmar science is an extremely important branch of Ayurveda. Marma points are important vital places in the body that are the seats of life or prana, as any injury to these parts may lead to severe pain, disability, loss of function, loss of sensation, or death. There has been a lot of scientific studies done on Kalari pipe training. Data showed that there is a significant improvement in cardiorespiratory endurance, explosive strength, agility, and balance. Contrary to what social media might make you believe, fitness does exist outside the gym. I strongly feel a regular calorie fighter practice should be introduced as an essential element in education alongside with yoga for the physical development of children. Thank you. Poster.
Wow, my God, right? That's really wonderful. I mean, can you stop presenting? Ah, yeah, yeah. So wonderful, yeah. Lovely. You've explained it so nice. You've done the voiceover also, right? The voices you asked totally. And you nicely, merged the different video clippings and showed it. And lastly, I saw you in your school uniform also, right?
Yes, sir.
Very, very smart way of doing. We are very impressed. And let me tell you, this is the first ever time. Of course, we did have somebody doing a martial art, karate sort of thing. Sarvagya did it, once to us. And Kalaripayattu is looking so impressive. Though, from the land of Kerala, people from south would know about it. And let me tell you, it's a fantastic fight form. And as you rightly said, it is purely Indian in thought and very, very ancient, like Varma Kalai, Toduvarmam, Paduvarmam. Now, all these things, as you rightly recommended, I think somebody down the line, the government, somebody listens to it. Let me tell you, the present thought process of government, what I can understand is they want to Indianize, bring back like Indian martial arts, Indian martial music, Indian way of looking, whatever we had a traditional Veshbhusha. I don't know, maybe Kalari Paita may get very soon introduced, into the training curriculum of schools and colleges. Terribly
Yes.
impressed, Rayat. You've done a fantastic job. Maybe, next time when you go back to Delhi, when you get your accoutrements available, your stake, your weapon, your dress and all available, maybe I'll request a show by you that time, right? Thank you.
Yes.
Wonderful. Children, can I request you to put your hands together and applaud Master Rayat Velu, who joined us for the first time, and he has made us really, really proud. A typical Fauji, type of, presentation. I really. Yes, sir. Please.
Okay, I'll be playing. First and foremost, I'm not. I'm just a beginner. I'm just a learner. But I will be playing Hindi tune, Suhani Raat Dhal Chuki.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. That's so wonderful,
Thank
sir.
you.
So lovely, so lovely. You're sounding like a pro. I must say this. Beautiful vamping, bending. See, you got a very nice tone, and the way you're vamping and blending sounds so beautiful, sir. You're playing so lovely. How long you been playing?
I've been playing from quite a few years. I keep playing off and on. I get into the
And
mood.
what instrument do you have, sir? Is it honor? What harmonica you
It's
have
an,
on? Honor,
it's an
yeah,
honor.
yeah, yeah. It sounds so beautiful. Even Suzuki 68 is also equally good. It's nice chromatica, and you sound amazing, sir. Very soon we'll have a singing, I mean, a playing session by you. So wonderful. Thanks for being here, and
Thank
maybe
you.
the next occasion we will do it a little more, a little more. That's wonderful. Okay, we've had the Edo for Art join from Sri Sharda International School, Koppal. Thank you so much. Thanks, Velu sir. Thanks for giving time. That's so wonderful
Thank
to
you.
have known you. Thanks, Madam Rena Velu. That's wonderful. Okay, let me pin now. Kumari Devika M Nair from Kolkata. Devu, over to you. Devu, can you hear
Sir,
me?
yes, sir, I'm not doing anything today. Send me pictures.
No problem. Okay, you just okay. Yeah, you told me you want to be just listening today, and there is some
Yeah.
issue with your mic also. We can't hear you properly. No problem. Okay, I pin now Master Mayur Karthik. Mayur Karthik, are you there? Mayur Karthik wants to speak about F-35 engines. Mayur, over to you, please.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, yeah, very clear. Please continue.
Yes. Good morning, everyone. Sir, first I will be speaking about its specifications. Afterwards, I'll explain. Good morning, everyone. My name is Karthik. I'm from Sri Sharda International School. So today I'm going to speak about the specifications and the working of engine of the F-35 fighter plane. This is the one of the most world's advanced and fastest fighter plane. So this plane is only manufactured by the one company called as Lockheed Martin. It is situated in Texas. This company was the only company which supplied the planes for America in 1940s, through which they planned to take a blast on the Hiroshima and Nagasaki. This company was formed from 1940s. The plane weighs up to 13,000 to 29,000 kgs. Its fuel capacity is about 8,278 kg. With the full fuel capacity, it can go up to 2,200 kilometers. So it's the max height which I say like 50 to 60,000 feet above from the ground level. The top speed varies from 1960 to 2000 kilometers. So this varies when from there are three models A, C, and B. The A model used for the Air Force, and C model used for rescuing, and B model is for supplying anything emergency. And in the B model, there is one more specialty like vertical takeoff and vertical landing. So usually planes go take off like this, right? So it can take off like this and lift off like this also. It uses the jet fuel. It has a weapon payload of 8,160 kg. The weapons it can hold up to 8,160 kg. The jet fuel costs about 22.54 per liter. In India, it costs. So the cost of the plane is over $78 million. The first flight we took on 15th December 2016 for the test flight. It was took on that day, 2006. It was first flight flew by Brick Wilson, also known as Tony Wilson. He was the first pilot who was selected to fly this test F-35 fighter. When it comes to the part of India, how many F-35 planes are there. So on 2019, IAF issued a request for information to acquire 114 F-35 jets on an estimated cost of about $18 billion. In Indian currency, it can cost about 1 trillion rupees. So can I share the screen?
Yeah, please, please.
So can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, good. Yeah, I can see that. Actually, you're showing a
This is the picture
slideshow.
of
Okay.
yes, this is the picture of plane. So when this comes to the engine part, so basically the engine is like there are more propellers in this, through which the air is sucked with the pressure of 40 to 35,000 pounds. From here the air sucks and gives it out back. So we can say that it sucks the cold air and the hot air comes back. So these are the propellers through which it sucks and gives out. These are as designed for the more pressure can suck. So the compressors. And this is the air compressor through which when the air is sucked back in the cold, it should live in that pressure only. So from this holes it goes fluently and exits fluently. So when it sucks, the air temperature can be like 10 degree to 10 degrees, and when it goes back, comes out, it will be 450 degrees Celsius. And all the thing is joined together for a shaft. This is the shaft. And this is the outer turbine, and this is the inner turbine. When it is turned off, it will completely look like this. So through which turbine rotates, all the turbines also rotates. It will be like this will be rotating clockwise and this will be rotating anti-clockwise. Through which the air is sucked in the huge immense pressure and left out. Thank you.
Wow. Wonderful. I must say, Mayur Karthik, it looks either you want to become an aviation engine specialist designer or you yourself a fighter pilot. It looks so wonderful. But did you say what is the name of the company you said? Lockheed Martin? How did you pronounce
Yes,
this?
sir. Locked in Martin.
No, it's Lockheed Martin. It's not locked in.
Lockheed.
Lockheed Martin. And by the way, we in the India do not have F-35s. I hope you know that.
Yes.
Yeah, we
Yes,
made a
we do
RFP
not
for
have.
that.
Yeah,
And
ordered, sir.
yeah, we showed interest,
That's all.
but for various reasons, maybe the deal could not go through. And can you tell me, you've done a lot of research, what is the advantage of VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing? You talked about this. The version
Yes,
B has got a vertical takeoff and landing. Why should you do that?
Yes.
What is the advantage of that?
So basically, in the ships, in the Navy ship, if the runway is very short, and for
No,
emergency it is very early.
naval version. Yeah, okay. VTOL is primary for that. Yeah, okay. Continue. Okay.
At that time, if the runway is very short and the plane needs more runway, you can use that more.
VTOL. Okay. That is also possible on the ground. A vertical takeoff and
Yes,
landing.
possible also.
Basically, the Navy version they got catapult or kind of a deck versions, VTOL versions.
Yes.
The advantage of a VTOL is you don't need a huge runway of got about 3 kilometers, 10,000 feet runway. Or when you need such a long runway, you need that much of land holding. Generally, you will find Air Force stations are too vast, too big because of the runway. So that requirement drastically reduces. Very well spoken, Mayur. You made us proud. So wonderful. Children, a round of applause. Okay. Red After Art has come now again. Yeah.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, Mukund, how are you?
How are you, sir?
Good. Namaskara. You're looking great.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Continue.
Sir, today we are going to sing a song which is tribute to our Indian Army, sir.
Mm-hmm.
So, can you hear this sound, sir?
Yeah, very clear now. Please continue.
Sir, can you hear this, sir? Can you hear this background music, sir?
Yes.
So, we are starting now, sir. तलवारों पे सर मांग दिए अंगारों ने किस्मत आया है तब जाके कभी हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग को सजाया है मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क है भीगा न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा इस खून से निकल के खून कहे तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा दिल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में भर जावा दिल के तो मैं लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू सांसों से भरी कलियां मेरी जहाँ झूम के बंदरा पाए सदा आबाद रहे वो राम मेरा जहाँ लौट के वापस जा न सका ओ वतना है मेरे वतना मेरा कुर्बान हुआ तेरी अजमत पे मैं सीखो वाला था तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा दिल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे कहतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू मैं मरता था जिस टुकड़े पे अब जाला कम ना हो ओ भाई मेरी क्यों फिक्र तुझे क्यों आंख से दरिया करता है तू कहती थी तेरा चालम में परेशान हमेशा रहता है तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा दिल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा दिल के तो मैं लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू
Okay, lovely, lovely. Mukund and who's the other guy?
Rishi sir.
Rishi, yeah, Rishi. Now, Rishi Rustagi. Now, you guys have done a good job, but please understand the karaoke track what you played and the song where you sang, you were slightly low on the scale. तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा. It is somewhere at that point. Okay, now what you have to do is, in case you are unable to sing in that original scale, I told you there are softwares available. You can talk to Mr. Parameshwar. He will try to down tune and give you the track. ठीक है ना? That's okay. That's fairly okay. But when both of you are singing, you should now try to sing in unison. You were slightly off key. That is okay. I mean, as you practice more, this will come. That's wonderful. Who else is there? Children, a round of applause to Rishi and Mukund. Yeah, who is this? Vijay. Vijender. Hi, Vijender. Yeah, you spoke before, I believe. Yeah. Can you move slightly to your left? Come to the center of the screen. Yeah, good. Yeah, please speak. Vijender.
I'll just take some 4 minutes takes just 2 minutes.
Please.
So good morning, sir. Today I'll be speaking about how past affects the futures. And from an individual perspective of the community, there is this one criteria which matters a lot. And those are distinct, where this makes an important role in shaping their future and present. Most of the people prefer to take some certain decisions by their past experiences. And in certain, the events which were done in past may create change in the future. For example, previously at the pandemic, all the decisions and steps taken by the government were new forever. But at the second time when the lockdown was conducted, all the steps and the preventive measures were never new. And even if any other pandemic occurs in the future, the people will have potential to face it. The World War II had made a big impact on some places where there is no possibility of natural growth and agriculture where can be done. And this because of bombings and explosions. And this can make that place highly technified or can make its economic value decrease. And even the same case with the choosing of the leaders. A leader can make a big change in a country. In here, the outcomes can be both negative and positive. In terms of how people react to that and act to that. Similarly, the words and teachings which were told by our parents and in small age will remain to the last which will lead us. Last. Done.
Very good, Vijender, very nice. You nicely connected past, how the past affects the future. Can I also request the other children sitting there? No, your hall, no, it's resounding with the voice of others. So when you are speaking, the others should try maintain silence. Now what happened? I found it very difficult to follow you. Children, a round of applause. Excellent. That's a very, very thoughtful process by Master Vijender. Vijender, you're speaking for the first time. You're joining for the first time, right?
Actually, I got a chance for many times, sir, but I skipped those.
Why?
At that time, I was not available.
Achha, you were not available. But yes, now you must try and do some research on good topics which I'll give you and speak. So wonderful, so nice. Can I get back to Rutika? Rutika, I'm trying to pin you. Are you there?
Sir, yes, sir. I'll just call them.
Yeah, call them. Quickly call them because from their ID it is not happening. Just call them. At the same place if they can do. Rutika and Namrata, continue please.
Can you hear the sound, sir?
Yes.
अच्युत केशव हरि नारायण अच्युत केशव रघुकुलभूषण राजीव लोचन आत्मा रामानंद रमण आत्मा रामानंद रमण आदिनारायण आनंद शयन आदिनारायण आनंद शयन सच्चिदानंद सत्य नारायण आत्मा रामानंद रमण आत्मा राम आत्मा रामानंद रमण आत्मा रामानंद रमण अच्युत केशव हरि नारायण अच्युत केशव हरि नारायण आत्मा राम